this video, we are going to prove a formula which will also be important as a question. As we saw in the previous videos in inverse trigonometry, that we have some formulas, we need to understand the proof and do not take tension as to how would we prove them, because these proofs are not from examination point of view but only for understanding purpose. All you need to do is, you just need to remember the formula, that's it. We are taking the proof so as to understand it better. So the question in the form of proof or the formula is what? Is 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. This you need to learn it as it is, and this I will be taking into account for the purpose of proof. So how to go about this question, let's see. We will be taking certain assumptions. We will be taking, let tan inverse x is equal to y, or you can also take other way around. Suppose I have x is equal to tan inverse y or tan inverse x is equal to y, then what is the purpose of this assumption? Let's see. I have tan inverse x is equal to y, that means tan y is equal to x. So that means what? That means wherever I have x, I will have to substitute it by tan y. So this is the assumption. So I write let tan inverse x is equal to y, that implies tan y is equal to x. This is equation number 1. Let's keep it aside. Now move towards the left hand side of the question. What is LHS or the left hand side? That is 2 tan inverse x. What is 2 tan inverse x is what? Y. So it is 2y. Keep it aside. Let's do the second part, that is the RHS or the right hand side. So the right hand side or the RHS is what? I have sine inverse. I write sine inverse. I have 2 multiplied by x. What is x? X is tan y from 1. So it is 2 tan y upon 1 plus tan square y. Put it in a bracket. So it is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. And what is the formula of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta? That is sine 2 theta, which we already know. I'll write the formula for you also. If I have somewhere 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, that is sine 2 theta. And so I have a formula for sine 2 theta, and hence I will be substituting the values. That is sine inverse. What is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta? Sine 2 theta, that means sine 2y. Now sine inverse and sine nullify each other, so it becomes 2y. You see 2y here, 2y here. That means I have LHS equal to RHS, and hence it is verified and hence it is proved. So we saw 2-3 important things. One, that the 2 tan inverse x is equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, wherein mod x is less than equal to 1, can be proved considering by assuming that tan inverse x is equal to y. From here we obtain x is equal to tan y. This is the equation number 1, and we substituted the value from 1. I can write here. Once you substituted, you found out that the results at the left hand side and the right hand side are the same. So I have the formula in front of me, tan inverse x multiplied by 2, that is 2 tan inverse x, in the form of sine inverse. In the next video, we will also be seeing the same formula but in the form of cos inverse.